Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Iskandar Yusup from class SMJ 18. I will story a fables, Tiger and the Woodpecker. This is an amazing tiger story in English for kids. Once upon a time, there lived a tiger in a jungle. One day, the tiger ventured out of his cave and went looking for a prey. Soon, he found a suitable prey and began munching away. As the tiger was enjoying his meal, a tiny bone got stuck in his jaw. He choked. He tried to use his paws to get the bone out. As much as he tried, it bore no fruit. A tiny bone took tears in mighty tigers. Days passed, and the tiger could not get bone out. I am sure I will die of starvation. The tiger thought, I have to get this bone out. He knew he had to get the bone out of his throat, but he knew not how. As the days went by, the poor tiger's would will still. He had no idea what to do. All he could do was from his death to come. Then one day, when the tiger was miserably lying under a tree, he saw a tiny woodpecker nearby. The woodpecker took notice of the tiger's discomfort. Is something wrong? The woodpecker asked the tiger. Why do you lie there with your mouth open? Oh, it is nothing, the tiger replied lethargically. A bone got stuck between my teeth a few days ago. Ever since then, I haven't been able to eat properly. I am sure I will die of starvation because of this. The woodpecker then said he would help the tiger. I will remove the bone only one condition. You shall give me share of flesh of the animals you kill from this point onwards. You may also like to the reed. Now the tiger was desperate. He agreed at once, with no intention of complying with the start condition. A measly little bird like you can do anything. We thought I share my food with it, the tiger thought. So the woodpecker flew down and the once took out of bone, relieving the tiger of his plan. The moment the bone was out, the tiger went looking for prey. A few hours later, the woodpecker found the tiger enjoying his meal. Have you forgotten about your promise already? The woodpecker asked angrily. You should count your lucky. The tiger told the woodpecker, I could have easily devoured of when you entered my mouth, but I did not. Now go away, poor little bird. The woodpecker became when angry at his, so he flew down angrily pecked at the tiger's eye. The tiger roared with pain. My eye, you pierced my eye. I won't forgive you, screamed the tiger, to which the bird replied, but tiger, you should count yourself lucky, for I could easily take away the other eye too. Moral of the story, you get what you give. Thank you. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.